Hey everybody, it's Sarah. This is Creative Ramblings. Today I am heading into Dollar Tree and I am taking you with me. And we are looking for accessories for American Girl dolls or for 18-inch dolls. There are a lot of really cool things that you can get at Dollar Tree for a fraction of the price of what you might find at the American Girl store or even at Target or Walmart. There are some really great DIYs that you can do as well. So I am going to show you what you can get from Dollar Tree and use with your 18-inch dolls. So I am going with my 2 doll shopping helpers. Hi. And we are going to go show you what you can find in Dollar Tree for your 18-inch dolls. Let's go. Okay, so we found little guitars that are going to fit a doll's hands really well. Okay, we found a tea service set that's got a teapot, cups, plates, spoons. This is the perfect size for American Girl dolls. In the party favorite aisle, we have a couple things. We have some trophies here. So if you have dolls with soccer or football or basketball, these would work great for trophies. We also have musical instruments like these saxophone, which are doll-sized and really nice. We found these little drawers. They are paper boxes that open up. These are going to make perfect little dressers. Okay, then we come to these mirrors here, and if you have a dressing area for a doll, these are really good size. They have felt on the back, but you could put mounting tape on this or even super glue and add it to the side of an area where your doll dresses. Dollar Tree hair accessories work really well to stock up to do dolls' hair. All kinds of hair accessories and small brushes and combs as well. Adhesive hooks like this work great for hanging up doll clothes, even hanging up like a robe or a scarf or that type of thing. Okay, these rolls of adhesive are like contact paper, and they're temporary. It's all shelf liner, but this is great if you have a place to put your dolls. You can use this as wallpaper that can be decorative and it can be removed. Now these up here are drawer liners. They're really soft, and you can cut them to fit. You can use this as a rug or as tile flooring. Okay, these mini shot glasses work great for doll picnics. Alright, we have a chalkboard here. We have a schoolroom in our doll area, and this is going to be great on the wall. And there also are whiteboards that you can use for a schoolroom as well. Containers like these snap open. They're really good for storing shoes or hair accessories for dolls. These push lights are battery powered, and they work really well for night lights.